kami high school eh. Fourth year high school, 2011. And then, doon nag-start doon kami nagkakilala. Naging kami nung high school nang hindi alam ng parents.
Took the morning ride, gotta leave this all behind. For with you is where I want to be. Maybe it's fate that we can control.
Nagkakilala kami ni Jelona, fourth year high school. Naging kami ay fourth year high school din since college, hanggang college.
We just gotta let it go.
Almost half of my life, kilala ko na siya.
So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are, oh, 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 oh. So many questions I've thrown to the skies, and all of the answers are found in your eyes. When I'm with you, home is never too far, and my weary heart has come to rest in yours.
That was October 19. Last year siya nag-propose sa akin.
Sabi ko, ito na siguro yung right time.
I found a way home. 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 So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are home.
Salamat sa lahat, mula sa paglalaba ng damit ko, pag-aasikaso ng gamit ko, sa pagsuporta sa lahat ng gusto kong gawin. Nandyan ka po. No, mahal na mahal kita. Hindi ko man madalas sabihin sa inyong dalawa, pero mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa.
Thank you.
At kahit may asawa na ako, hindi magbabago ang pagmamahal ko sa inyo.
Kami rin, hindi. Hindi magbabago yun.
Thank you po.
Mangyayari at mangyayari ang kagustuhan ninyo. That is not the service that is expected of you for each other. You receive love, and in return, you must also transmit that love to others.
Ay, bebe koy. Hindi ko lang kung kakantahin ko. Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come. Uno pa lang.
I stand here today, I'm reminded of how we've walked through nearly 12 years together.
2011, nung una kitang nakita, tandang-tanda ko noon. First day ng school year natin noon. It was June 2011. Same date kung kailan ulit tayo nagtagpo. Fourth year high school tayo noon. That day, pagpasok mo ng room, alam ko na, crush na agad kita.
In that time, we've shared countless memories, laughter, challenges, and growth.
Pag nakalimutan na ating saya.
Saya ang memories nating dalawa nung high school. Andun yung kilig, yung excitement tuwing umaga na makita ang isa't isa. Pero dahil mga bata pa nga tayo noon, madaming nangyari. So nagkahiwalay, naging magkaibigan ulit, nag-iusan, nagkita ulit. At alam ko may dahilan ng Panginoon kung bakit ganun ang nangyari. At ito yun. Ito yung plano niya sa ating dalawa. Ang magsama habang buhay at mahalin ng isa't isa.
Kung maliligaw, ikaw ang linaw, di ka bibitawan. Sa sigwa o araw, dilim o bughaw, ikaw ang sigaw. Pag nakalimutan na
I promise to stand by you through every joy and every challenge, with patience and love.
Sinubok tayo ng panahon pero hindi ka sumuko. Hindi mo ako sinukuan.
I will honor the lesson we've learned and cherish the person you've helped me become.
Hindi mo naisip na iwan ako. At kahit sa dami ng problema, iyak na pinagdaanan, alam kong masigit naman doon ang saya na nararamdaman ko sa tuwing tayong dalawa ang magkasama.
Pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin.
Kumulubot man ang mga balat natin, mamahalin kita ng buong buo. Palaging lalabis, pero pangako hindi ko kulangin. Mamahal, Jalon.
Tayo ay babalik, babalik. Tayo ay